I talked to my friend, Mr. Xi Jinping, the leader of China. Kasi nakaibigan ko talaga. And I value his friendship and his word. Na hanggang usapan lang tayo dito. Wala kaming balak na makipag-away sa inyo. At yun kaya nga nung I went there for a private visit earlier yung taon na to. Sa pagdating ko sa airport, there was this urgent message that Mr. Xi Jinping, even hindi na ako presidente, was inviting me for an audience with him. Nag-usap kami 1 hour 40 minutes. Wala kaming pinag-usapan about itong South China Sea. Kung ano lang ang maganda sa buhay, kumusta siya, ganon. Parang kaibigan lang. Hindi naman rin ako opisyal ng gobyerno. I have no business dwelling on matters which are already not mine because I'm no longer anybody. So, usap lang kami. But kung usap lang, kailangan kausapin si Mr. Xi Jinping or whatever, it might be a serious one or not, that we can talk things over. Not necessarily go into a confrontational stance. Mas malapit ako sa China, sa leader ng China mismo. I consider him a very good friend, very humble man, very considerate, than sa itong, wala naman akong, I have nothing against the Americans. Wala ako, pero wala akong connect doon sa kanila. Dito, pwede akong makiusap. Yung China Sea na wag na lang girahin kasi wala naman talaga kaming ikabuga. Usap na lang. And little accommodation here and there. Huwag na lang natin na sabihin mo, maghingi tayo, this is ours. Kakalimutan mo na yan. Basta pasok-pasok lang yan. Paisda-isda lang. Kung tilapia lang ang makuha mo dyan sa South China Sea, di okay na. Fresh water man yan, dalhin mo, magdala ko ng doon. At this time of my life, tanda na ako. Confrontational thing is a bad. Noong bata pa ako siguro. Even when I was mayor. Pero as I papunta na ako ng heaven, medyo kalmado na ako. And sometimes I could give you a wise advice. Medyo nakumpleto ko na yung cranial equation ko. And I could give you a good advice of what to do. Dito sa atin, kaya mo muna yan dyan. Wala namang gumagalaw. Ang China, wala namang barko dyan. Walang warship sila dyan. Hayaan na lang natin. Sometimes we stray. And if we are, kung maabutan nila ng patrol, but hanggang wala akong nakita. I have not seen, maybe before, but I do not remember a gray ship. Gray ship is a war. Barko na panggira. Gray ship ang tawag niya. Diyan sa South China Sea patrolling. So, nagpapasalamat ako sa, well, of course, kay Mr. Xi Jinping, pati sa Chinese people and government for being considerate. For after all, my friends, marami kaming Chinese dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming ancestry namin Chinese. So that's what I'm telling them, baka hindi niyo alam. And I will not elaborate, baka sabihin papalaki ako ng ulo sa